students. This is your chapter number 3, Rock and Soil, from your science. And Forum Goswami will explain you this chapter. In this chapter, you will learn about formation of soil, contents of soil, and uses of soil. The big idea of this chapter is soil is an important natural resources which is necessary for all living things. So let's start with formation of soil. You can see the pictures that the soil will be formed from a big rocks. Due to the strong effect of sunlight, water and wind, big rocks break down into smaller pieces over a long period of time. These small pieces continue to break down further till they become a very fine particles called soil. So you can see because of the rain means water, sunlight and wind, the big stone will become in a step 2 you can see break down into a smaller pieces of rocks. Step 3, there are in the process of a long time. So the breaking down of rocks into soil is very slow process and takes a lot of time. While being broken down, dead plants and animals get mixed with the small rock pieces and they will improve the soil quality. Mixture of that dead plants and animals making soil rich in nutrients and fertile so that more plants can grow in such soil. Fertile means the soil which is very good and the plant is growing very fast in this kind of soil. That is called fertile soil. Now the color of soil. Color of soil depends on the rocks present in a particular area. Soil color can be brown, red, black or yellow. It is depend on the weather of the place. There is a layer on the earth. Do you know we are living on the topmost layer of the earth? It is called organic layer. On the topmost layer is organic, then the top soil. Then the second layer is called topsoil. The third layer is called subsoil. Then parent material and then bedrocks. When we are going down to the earth and digging the soil, it will coming out this way. The first is soft soil, then topsoil, then subsoils. Then you are getting more rocks. They are called parent material. And then the bedrocks which are very hard. They are at last down to the earth. You can see here also as example of layers of the soil. Our earth is making from the down bedrocks, parent material, subsoil, topsoil and organic layer. Contents of soil. Soil consists of many things such as water, dead remains of plants and animals, fine sand, clay, minerals and small pieces of stones. Now the uses of soil. Soil is very important for plants and animals. Let us know some uses of soil. So first of all, we are walking on that. We are walking on the path. It's also made from the soil. Plants are growing. Some of the material like glass is making from the soil only. Pots. We can see the earthen pots. We can say earthen pots. The matka at our home is called earthen pots. They are made from the soil. Some of the animals are living in a burrow. They are making a burrow into the soil. Some of the nests are also being in the help of the soil. plants and building materials. Many building materials like bricks are made from the soil. Some uses of rocks also, which is not included in your textbook, but still I am explaining you. Some uses of rocks. The rocks we are using in landscaping. We are making a path with the help of rocks even. Pathways. Gardens we are decorating with the rocks. Some big rocks we are making some art sculptures. Some of the roads we are using rocks. Some buildings also made from the rocks. Do you know some jewelry are the rocks? The ruby is a rock. The diamond is actually a rock. But after the finishing and the years of their life into the soil, and they are finding material like diamond, ruby and all. Some of the building materials in that we are using rocks. Some of the floor also we are using small rocks to make it comfortable. Thank you students. If you have any query, you can ask me in my live session. Don't forget students that soil is a precious gift of nature and we should conserve it. Only the 1/4 part of the earth is covered with the soil. So don't waste soil. Grow more plants and save the soil. Thank you.